Hi friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to add a dynamic zoom or zooming effect in your image on DaVinci Resolve 18. Okay, guys, I'm simply drop a image to timeline. You can see I'm just playing this one. Yeah, it is playing like this, and I cut this one, this portion. That's it. Then I'm selected this image. Then go to this right side inspector window. Then you can see the option is here dynamic zoom. Turn on the dynamic zoom. Then you can see the image is adjusted. So just play it. DaVinci Resolve added a zoom out uh, effect into that image. You can see here. You can adjust the speed like this. We are just reduce the image length. Then you can see the changes. You can see the speed is changed, and also you can go to the dynamic zoom here. Then you can select zoom ease like linear, ease in, ease out, and ease in out. If you set that ease in out, then you can see the option. Now it is going down and like this. Also you can see ease in like this, and you can click swap. That means the opposite direction. Then you can see now it is like this increasing. Okay, this way you can easily add multiple. You can also add here multiple images like this. Sorry, like this. Like it. Then select all of them and go to the dynamic zoom option is here. Just click here dynamic zoom, then select linear. Then see all of the images have this effect. That's it. Very simple and easy. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.